An attractive attitude is a very important characteristic not every man can have. It has to be built from scratch. Building an attractive attitude also means you are building your character. Did you ever wonder why most women are attracted to those so-called bad boys? It's all with their attitude. In today's video, you are going to know exactly that. What type of an attitude is very attractive to women, and how to build it. Let's get started. When I was 18, I had a crush on a girl. She used to sit around the corner in my class. I was so obsessed that I wanted her badly. I did whatever she wanted. I bought her chocolates every week. We both had a great time together, but there was something that was missing. That was her interest for me. And I clearly knew that. A few days passed by, and I didn't hear from her. A few days passed by, and I saw her with another guy in the park. I was so pissed. When we finally met, we had a small talk about what type of man she wants. She answered me in short, saying, "I love men with an attitude." I was confused. What type of an attitude? I am not sure. Ever since then, we didn't meet quite a lot. So, the thing is, women don't want to speak about the type of men they are really attracted to. It's all our responsibility to make that happen. I didn't really know what type of an attitude women really love. It took me 2 long years to figure out what it is, and how it works. So, what is with attitude to women? Most women really don't know what type of attitude they really love in men. Even if they do, they don't like to speak about it. As I've said, it's completely our responsibility to make things happen. The attitude that most women are attracted to is the man who makes them chase. Let me make it clear. A man who doesn't care about her is the one thing that women get pissed for. Women want attention. It's always available to them easily, in the form of nice guys. Women want that man who cares most for him than others. Women get bored of easily available attention. But when a bad boy enters, the game completely changes. Women struggle to get bad boys' attention. That is what makes the difference. Bad boys are not always available. We as human beings want that one thing, which is easily not available, and it's the same thing with women. Women chase men who are readily not available. I have seen this attitude in these so-called bad boys. It's not available readily by birth. It has to be attained. It comes with practice and self-love. So, how to build attitude that you want? We cause ourselves so much pain and suffering when we stifle our true nature and ignore our burning desires and dreams, for the sake of fitting in with the status quo and meeting the expectations of others. You are a one-of-a-kind, unprecedented human being. There will never again be someone quite like you, and you are here to give the world your own special blend of gifts, passions, interests and quirks. Allowing yourself to show up to life as your authentic self is one of the most empowering things you can do, and it can profoundly enrich your relationship with yourself. The only thing you can do is to start giving importance to you. Make yourself the first priority. The attitude that women love is automatically going to build up over the course of time. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.